We are skipping problem 3, which is very much identical to problem number 2. Let's move to problem number 4. Input voltage 20 VL, we are going to calculate it soon. 2 BJTs as usual with a Zener diode. The third BJT, we call it Q limit, going together with an R limit. We are going to consider it is not present at the moment and going to work out the remaining. As before, we can say 3.9 plus VBE2 is 4.7 VL divided by 12 plus 4.7. From here we calculate VL is now we can work out the current, the load current. Question says we need to work out all the currents. Let's try to work out IR3. To work out IR3, one end of the resistor at 20 volt voltage at this point is same as voltage at the base. So let's see what is that voltage going to be. That's going to be VL plus VBE. We got IR3, we can work out IB1, then we can find IC2. We are going to neglect the current through R1 and R2, that means assuming base current is very small. IB1 is going to be load current divided by 1 plus beta. Beta 1 is 40. Now we can find IC2, which is IR minus IB1. And this IC2, because the base current is neglected, will be same as Zener diode current. We have IC2 nearly equal to IZ, which is 7.8 milliampere. We can find VCE1 and power consumed in Q1, VCE2 and power consumed in Q2, and power consumed in the Zener, as we have done in the previous problem, which we are going to leave it now. We need to find the operation of Q limit and R limit. When is it going to get activated? In the normal operation, the load current is flowing through R limit, but the voltage between base and emitter is not going to be sufficient to switch on Q limit. But in case there is a short circuit, what happens? Current through R limit exceeds required VBE of Q limit, and Q limit is going to switch on and conduct. So IR3, which is coming in, it will be taken away by Q limit, and the operation of voltage regulator is going to halt. So what will be the maximum current at short circuit it can flow? We call it I limit. VBE limit divided by R limit. Therefore I limit is so for this circuit, if there is a short circuit, a 0.7 ampere is going to conduct, nothing more. This is going to protect your Q1.